Yo, let's talk about custom neck labels, man.
Big Safe.
Fat Man Scoop, Brooklyn Clan. What's up, y'all? This is Fat Man Scoop. And right now, you watching the Sensei, the number one, the king, my dude, Big Brando. He taught me, personally, me, Fat Man Scoop. All you gotta do is keep your mouth closed and your ears open. Listen to the man talk. That's knowledge personified right there, and I wouldn't trust nobody else but my dude, Big Brando. And I said it. Fat Man Scoop, Big Brando. Let's go.
What's happening, everybody? Boy, Big Brando, and today let's talk about creating a t-shirt with the front hit, back hit, neck label hit, and sleeve hit. More importantly, let me show you guys how I created this t-shirt. Custom neck label, left chest print. We got a sleeve hit on here. And we got the big back print. Bingo. Now, this is a question that I always get. How do you do custom neck labels? What do you do if you have to do sleeve hits? How come you don't have any videos showing you pressing on sleeves? How come there's no videos of you pressing on neck labels? Now, I have videos talking about different ways to press them in, using the mouse pad in your regular heat press, using a hat press. And I go through the motions, but I'm not actually pressing it down, and people get mad. Like, man, how come you're not actually pressing? It doesn't even work that way. So I made this video of doing the whole shirt. Neck label, sleeve hit, left chest print, and big back print. Now, if you're a member of Patreon, you'll know that I've been testing this design out. This one exactly. 4 fingers up, 2 twisted in the middle. If you know what that is, then you know what that is. This is my Big Brando logo, the $B. You guys seen that? It's in the intro of my videos. I'm wearing it. You guys always see it. Here goes the neck label. Nothing fancy. My logo, size, my website. I don't put any of that extra stuff on there. It's all I need on there. Left chest print. So let's go over sizing first, because I know a lot of people are gonna ask about that. Well, what size neck label did you do? This right here is about 2 inches, top to bottom, and about 1.5 inches wide. That's it. If you wanted to do 2 by 2, you could. If you wanted to do 2 by 3, there's no set size for this kind of stuff. You do whatever visually looks good to you. If you want to put more information on this tag, put more information on this tag. For me, this is all I need. My logo, my size, the website. That's it. I don't put 100% cotton no more. I don't put care instructions no more. I don't do none of that. 1, nobody reads that stuff. 2, sometimes I don't use 100% cotton t-shirt. Sometimes if I'm using a heather gray shirt or any heather colored shirt, there's a little bit of polyester in there. And if I get a bunch of tags made that say 100% cotton, then I'm lying if I press it onto a heather colored shirt. So that's why I leave that off. Now I just say on my website, this is a 100% cotton t-shirt, or this is, 80-20 blend or whatever it is. But I don't put it on the tags no more. 2, I don't label everything. A lot of times I leave the regular label in there. You guys know when I use All Style, you guys bought t-shirts from me, it just had the All Style label in there. Some of the brands that I run, I relabel everything, but I don't do it for everything. The brands that I run that I use Pro Club, I leave the Pro Club tag in there because that means something to the customer. That helps the sale. When they know that it's printed on Pro Club and they see the Pro Club tag, they're like, I know my size, I know what that shirt fits like, easy call, let's order it up. Sometimes when you rip the tag out and then the customer doesn't know what kind of t-shirt you print on, they're like, hey, well, what kind of t-shirt do you print on? Some people don't want to give up those secrets. So they're like, oh, it's just 100% cotton, or it's cotton poly blend, blah, blah, blah. That leaves the customer guessing because they don't know how the shirt fits, so they don't know if they should size up or size down. So for me, a lot of times I just leave the tag in. So whenever you buy something that's from the Big Brando site, a lot of times I just leave the tag in. Makes it easier for everybody. And on top of that, people aren't buying for the tag inside of here, they're buying for the design on the outside. Most of the time they don't even care about the tag. It's just a nice to have. It's a clean touch, and that's why I made this video, just to show the process. Now, before I take the camera and go into the shop and show you guys how I press all of these pieces on, just to let you guys know, I'm using Super Color for everything here. So just to show you, here's all of the neck labels, front left chest prints, sleeve hits. Got a blue one, white one, and a yellow one on there. When it comes down here, I don't sell too many smalls. So I only have 1 small down here, right here. The rest of these, large, extra large, double X, triple X, I get more of those because I sell more of those. But my popular sizes, I triple up on them because those are the ones that I'm used to selling. So a lot of people think, all right, I got to do all smalls, all medium, all large, all extra large. You don't got to do that. Your popular sizes, that's what you want to gang up on. So like I said, super color transfers utilize the gang sheet, that big back print, not a gang sheet. That's just a single image print. So if you're not a member of Patreon, obviously this is what I did. I cut one t-shirt out with vinyl, press that thing down just to test out. That's what I use my vinyl cutter for, is to test out all my designs. So obviously that big back print is the one that I really wanted to get some kind of data from the people to see if I should actually get transfers made. Bingo, my son wears that t-shirt out, and him and his friends let me know that everybody's interested in the t-shirt by saying, hey, that's a cool shirt. Where'd you get that shirt? Can I take a picture of that shirt? Yo, that's a dope shirt. All of these types of compliments and questions and interactions is what I need. This is how I test out every single design that I do. So this is how fast things work. That happened last week. Cut one out, pressed it on a shirt, he wore it out. Following day, comes back and says, yo, everybody was asking about this shirt. Everybody thinks this shirt's dope. That's all I need to hear. Now I send the transfers off to Super Color. I order 100 white, 100 yellow, 50 blue, and this gang sheet right here. In 2 days, all the transfers are in my hand. In 2 days. Not in 2 days they ship to me. In 2 days from me submitting that order, it's in my hand. I have them and I'm pressing already. T-shirts uploaded on my site already. Everything's already ready to go. So when people ask, hey man, why do you use Super Color? This is why I use Super Color. Because no other transfer can turn around the quantity of transfers that I order that fast. There's no transfer company that's gonna guarantee me, 300 transfers in 2 days. Like I said, 100 white, big prints, 100 yellow, big prints, 50 blue, big prints, and then 50 of these gang sheets right here. In 2 days, in my hand, not happening. So this is why I mess with Super Color. This is why I do it, because of the quality, consistency, and turnaround time. I get it, it doesn't work like that for everybody. A lot of people aren't ordering that size quantity, and a lot of people aren't ordering transfers like that. But I am, so that's why I use the companies that I use, because they work for me. You gotta find companies that work for you. All right, so I'm gonna take the camera, show you guys everything on how I press all this stuff down. Let's get it going. All right, check it out. We're using Shaka t-shirts today. This is a 2X t-shirt. First thing you're gonna do, rip away the tag. Boom, now that tag's off, we're gonna lay it on our heat press. I'm gonna lay the back of the collar all the way over, and then I'm gonna fold the front of the collar over the platen, just like that. Once again, this isn't stretching out the collar, we're just laying it down. Pre-press. No moisture, like I said, we're using 2X t-shirt Shaka. This is a Super Color transfer. Cut this off of a gang sheet. So the heat press is set up to 320 degrees, 15 seconds. We're gonna lay this down. Press. Press pops up, hot peel. Let's see if we can focus that in. Finished product. Now, next thing that we're gonna do on this hat press is we're gonna do a sleeve hit. I'm gonna put it on the left side of the sleeve. This is just my own personal preference. I don't know if it's actually needed to be on the left side, but this is my mentality. If the person wearing the t-shirt is driving their car, let's say they're cruising with the windows down and their elbows out the window, I would hope that my logo is the one that's being shown while they're driving around. So that's why I put these sleeve hits on the left side. So same exact thing. We're gonna open up the t-shirt. There's the sleeve. There's already a crease in there of what the center is just from the t-shirt being folded. Lay it right over the platen. I'm not stretching it, I'm just laying it over the platen. Pre-press. Here goes our big Brando $B logo. And I'm putting that right at the hem. Once again, Super Color transfer, so the heat press is set up to 320 degrees, 15 seconds. Hot peel. Sleeve hit. Size label hit. All done on my Heat Press Nation cap press. This is the one with the removable bottom platens. You can see the other extra ones right here. I use one of the smallest ones for my neck labels. All right, check it out. Today we're gonna be doing a big back print. So we're gonna be using the 16x20 today. Small front print, big back print. We're using Shaka t-shirts. This is how it goes down. Lay the collar all the way over the edge. Then I'm gonna pull down on the armpits where the armpit of the sleeve meets the body of the t-shirt. I'm gonna pull down on both sides just to get everything straight and aligned. Remember, if you don't lay your t-shirt down straight, your transfers won't be straight. Everything looks good, feels good. Pre-press. Heat press is set up to 320 degrees, 15 seconds. And we're using super color transfers. Here's the front print. 4 fingers down. Every time I do a left chest print or over the heart print, I'm going based off of the collar meets the shoulder of the t-shirt. Going straight down from there. 4 fingers down. That's where I'm gonna lay my transfer. 320 degrees, 15 seconds, super color transfer. This was cut off of a gang sheet. Top peel. And we're gonna tap it down again per super color's instructions. Now let's do the back. There's the front hit. Lay the collar all the way over the edge. So the front of the collar, you want that all the way over the edge. Same thing like we did for the front, pull down at the armpits, both sides. You'll feel it be even on both sides. Big back print. Getting it pretty close to the edge there. As you can see, there's the collar, getting it close to the edge. Top peel. And hit it one more time. There you have it. Back print, front print, custom neck label, and sleeve hit. Let's go talk about it. All right, man, there you have it. Everything from pressing neck labels in to sleeve hits to left chest prints to big back prints. Now you guys seen the full process. If you're interested in this t-shirt, check it out on bigbrando.com. If you're interested in picking up some transfers from Supercolor, check out the Supercolor link in the description box. If you got any questions, make sure you leave it in the comments for me. Follow me on Instagram, BigBrandoTV. Catch you guys on the next one, man. Yeah.